Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how many latest WhatsApp tips and tricks is available. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see latest WhatsApp tips and tricks. Those tips and tricks are very important if you are using WhatsApp. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. Let's start the demonstration. Simply first of all, I open here Google and just type here Research Rocks, enter, and I search it here images. So here is my picture. I just simply copy this image, look at this copy, and I open here my WhatsApp. I just simply call it one of contact here, and I look at this here, I paste it here. So the particular image and pictures are directly pasted here. If you are using WhatsApp, directly search on Google and paste it here. Second tips and tricks come here. If you want share as a huge file, so how you send, just simply click here. You can send 2-3 gigabytes files also. Browse here where is available of the file. Look at this here. Here several pictures and several files are available. So look at this here. Number one file is 1.24 gigabytes and the ps-1 1.74 gigabytes. So I just simply select this one, open it and send it, and boom, this file I can very easily send third person. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.